Today we're in our Spree Escape 161 rear bath unit. This is made by K-ZRV, which is a great manufacturer. They've been in business since '72, and we've been proud to carry that product for 12 years now at Bucars. This trailer is designed for a couple. The kids are grown up, not coming camping anymore, and so they want to now be able to take the time and go exploring. So they don't want a big trailer to lug around. They maybe want to run it off a lighter, smaller vehicle. So we have a nice lightweight trailer. It's smaller so you can get to the out of the way places. So with the controls on our smart arm awning, we can run the awning in and out. And this also has a wind sense feature, so that if the winds come up and you set your wind sense on, it will auto retract, which I find is a great feature being in southern Alberta, because there is the odd windy day that we come across. And so now if our wind comes up and starts buffeting the awning, you'll see that it turns itself back on and brings itself back in. With KZ, it's all 5/8 tongue groove plywood flooring, and rather than OSB that a lot of manufacturers put in their trailer, this limits the VOCs, and that's the glues and the things like that that go into making your press boards and your particle board floors, as well as gives you a much stronger base to screw all our cabinetry to the floor. So when you're taking a product and bouncing it down the highway, things twist, things flex, and screws tend to pull out of particle board versus plywood. So a little bit more durability there. We do a full walkthrough, so anytime you purchase a trailer from Bucars, on the day that you come to pick up your trailer, we're going to have a guy go out with you, go through the trailer and show you how everything works. So for the novice RVer, first timer who's not sure about what they're getting into, we're going to give them a rundown so that when they get out to the campground, they're going to have the confidence to know that they're going to be able to get their trailer set up and running right and get them through that first trip. We've got a great stock available. Popular floor plans still available at the dealership. We're offering a great sale right now, so it's a great time to grab the trailer and head out and enjoy the outdoors.